This is Open Bloom 3D die set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set with 6 individual dies. This die set includes all you need to create a stunning layered paper bloom with accompanying leaves. Cut each layer in a different shade of the same color for a realistic look, or go wild with contrasting hues. Alternatively, you can cut each layer in white and color with your favorite medium. The possibilities are endless. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about the Open Bloom 3D die set from Altenew, its featured projects and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.